In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your withdrawal limits in the Binance app. With cryptocurrency being a pivotal part of our financial landscape, understanding how to optimize your Binance account is crucial. Let's dive into it. When you first start using Binance, you might notice that your withdrawal capabilities can be somewhat limited. For unverified accounts, the withdrawal limits are very low, and sometimes you might not be able to make any withdrawals at all. With basic verification, also known as KYC or Know Your Customer processes, the withdrawal limits are typically set to up to 2 Bitcoin per day, or its equivalent value in other cryptocurrencies. However, if you are looking for more access and to handle larger volumes, advanced verification is key. This process can increase your daily withdrawal limits significantly, up to a whopping 100 Bitcoin per day, or even more, depending on the region where you reside. The journey to increasing your withdrawal limits begins by ensuring you have the Binance app downloaded and ready to go. Once you've got the app open, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice a profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will lead you right into the account settings area where you can make some changes. Next, look for the option labeled Account Verification, or sometimes Identity Verification. This is where the action begins. You'll see different levels of verification listed here. Starting with basic verification, this is where you'll need to provide some fundamental information, including your name, nationality, and date of birth. Basic verification usually unlocks modest limits, but if you need to do more with your account, you'll want to aim higher. Moving to intermediate verification, this requires a bit more of your participation. You'll be asked to upload a government-issued ID. This could be your passport, driver's license, or any other official document in line with Binance's guidelines. Alongside this, you'll also need to go through a selfie or face verification process to match your identification with your real-time appearance. Now, should you need even higher limits, and if it's available in your region, you'll want to consider advanced verification. This might entail submitting additional proof of address. Typical documents you might need include utility bills or a recent bank statement that confirms your address. Once you've gathered and submitted all the necessary documents, all that's left is to wait while Binance reviews your application. The approval process can vary in time. Sometimes it wraps up in just a few minutes, but don't worry if it takes a bit longer. It can stretch to a few days, depending on several factors. But rest assured, once approved, you'll have access to increased withdrawal limits, enabling you to transact with far more ease and flexibility. With these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing the potential of your Binance account, allowing you to get the most out of your cryptocurrency ventures. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.